Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step on how we can create professional affiliate product videos using AI, perfect for YouTube, TikTok or Instagram. So creating marketing content used to be expensive and time consuming, but with AI tools you can design scripts, voices and videos automatically and no editing skills needed. So first you can pick your product. You can choose the affiliate product you want to promote. This could be from Amazon, ClickBank, Digistore24 or any affiliate program. Then you can copy the product details or sales page link. And now you can generate the script with AI. You can head to ChatGPT, for example, or any AI writing tool. You can ask it to create a persuasive product script highlighting the benefits and why viewers should buy it. So for example, I'm going to do it for a facial wash. You can hit on enter. Just wait until it show up. Now, once this script is ready, you can create AI voiceover. You can use free AI voice generator like 11 Labs, Play.hd, or CapCut's text-to-speech. You can just paste your script in here, this one, and choose a natural voice and download the audio. And for the visuals, you can use stock videos, product images, or even AI video tools like Pictory, InVideo, or Canva AI to generate professional-looking clips. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.